Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's Easy Glaze. So I'm just changing the voltage regulator on this Gravely 260Z. My issue was that I got a new battery. I thought the old battery was messed up, so I got a new battery. And about a month later, having issues again starting up the mower. After doing a little research, I think it's the voltage regulator. I didn't do all the testing, but anyway, it's cheap on Amazon, 10 bucks, and it's located right here. So this is the engine, right? This is the back. Zoom in here. And the way it's installed is like that. You slip this clip off. There's 2 bolts, 1, 2, and it comes right off. When I took it off, on the other side here, you'll see, I don't know if you can see it there. There you go. You'll see some numbers, and that tells you which one to buy. So I got the new one. Amazon, 10 bucks. That's all it is. Gravely 260Z. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. Later.